Hey everybody, it's Kat from earthmason.com, and I'm going to be showing you how to transplant small little seedlings that you've maybe been growing indoors into larger pots so that they can get bigger. So what I have here is some Roma tomatoes I've been growing under a light indoors. What I have here is some worm frost that I'm going to be mixing with the soil. I have a larger container with some soil already in it. As you can see, I've already filled it halfway, and what I'm going to do is put a little bit of the frost, maybe like, you know, a quarter of a teaspoon in there. Don't have to be exact. And what I do is just mix this worm frost into the soil. Now you don't have to do this, especially if you don't have worm frost, but I do want to show the tools that I am using. And I use worm frost because it's really great for root development. So what I'm going to do is I've filled up a little bit more soil here, and I'm actually going to push them up to the sides a bit, just to make this space here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my seedling here and I'm just going to squish the sides a little bit, and then I'm going to take 2 fingers and hold it near the stem of the plant, and I'm going to carefully turn it over. And as you can see, most of the soil turns out. I'm going to then just flip it over into this right here. And this is where I'm going to do the first bit of tamping down with my fingers. And then I'm going to take some remaining soil and just fill it up. And you can shake it a little bit, and that kind of gives you a nice even distribution. Now it seems like I'm really burying this, and I am, and there's a reason for that, because tomato plants, if you can see, there's all these little hairs, and all these hairs on the stem here, they are potential roots. So whenever you bury a tomato plant or a tomato seedling, whatever, when you bury it deeper in the soil, that actually creates all these more roots. It promotes a bigger plant, and it promotes a stronger stem at the base as well, because it's going to have all those roots to kind of hold it in the soil. The last thing I'm going to do is pour some water. Hopefully I have some left in here. Yeah. This is going to continue growing indoors under a light until it's ready to be hardened outside, and then it'll be planted in my bigger pots where I have the other tomato plants. Okay, thanks so much for watching.